let's see how to enable or disable Auto Recover Save in Microsoft Word. So first off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, by default, Microsoft Word has Auto Recover enabled. And what that does is that it automatically saves a version of your file into your computer, which will allow you to keep a track of the changes within your file. This also allows to keep your file safe in the case when your Microsoft Word or your computer crashes. So in some cases, let's say we want to disable Auto Recover Save, we can head on over to the File tab. Now click on Options, and right here under Save, simply uncheck this box to save Auto Recover information every 10 minutes or so. Now uncheck that box and click OK. And what that does is it will disable Auto Recover Save in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.